29 forecast.
You are looking live at the Boar's Head Resort Winter Wonder Trail of Lights display, where for now it's spring-like, but by tomorrow morning it will look like a winter wonderland. Good evening to you. I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. A lot of weather to talk about. Let's get right to it. In that first forecast this evening, no weather issues at all. Temperatures well above freezing in the 50s, 40s at midnight. And it will be raining. And then by 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning, the rain will turn to sleet and then heavy wet snow 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, right around freezing. So barely cold enough to support that snow, but it will be peppering down. And then the snow is gone by midday. Some sun returns just before sunset, some melting, and then refreezing overnight tomorrow night with slick conditions on Tuesday morning. Your 6 o'clock readings are still like April. It's in the 60s in Charlottesville, 50s in Stanton. We're going to have that slow drop in temperature overnight. For now, dry conditions on NBC 29's live Doppler radar. The clouds continue to thicken on up. It looks like it wants to rain and snow, but for now, not much going on. But the rain will begin to increase by late evening and into the early overnight hours. Watching severe weather with a tornado watch box into areas of Georgia and the Florida Panhandle. And there's that developing winter storm over the Mid-South from Kentucky, Middle Tennessee, Alabama, and Mississippi. This is a developing snowstorm that will wreak havoc over the Mid-Atlantic region, the Central Appalachians. It's going to produce its own cold air. We call that dynamic cooling. That's just how strong the system is going to be as it moves over our area. And for that reason, the National Weather Service has now upgraded the entire area under a winter storm warning for significant snow accumulation into tomorrow morning. Let's track it now, hour by hour. Futurecast shows between now and midnight is just plain old rain. The rain will begin to increase by 11 and midnight. There's midnight, it's raining. And then at 3 a.m., the rain goes over to sleet and snow. There's 4, 5, 6 o'clock. See the deep shades of blue? That is some heavy snow. Snowfall rates of 1 inch or 2 per hour possible. Then at 9 a.m., it's snowing area wide. By noon, the heaviest snow is shifting away. Some sun breaks out by mid-afternoon with some melting and then refreezing tomorrow night. So here's the updated snowfall accumulation map. It is going to be a general 3 to 6 inches of snowfall. The quicker the changeover and the heavier snow that falls on the warm ground, well, we'll have a higher snowfall amount. If it's a slower transition and lighter snow on the warm ground, we'll have lower totals. Now, there's going to be some banding, folks, that sets up over parts of the area that will produce 7 or 8 inches of an accumulation. Where that band sets up, we don't know just yet, but the bottom line, a significant winter event tomorrow morning. In your Storm Team 29 report tonight, lows near freezing at dawn, rain to snow at dawn, and it will be slushy, especially on the grassy areas. Even roadways could become slick briefly tomorrow morning as the snow peppers down. Now, tomorrow afternoon, the snow's gone. We'll have some melting, temperatures above freezing, mid to upper 30s. And then tomorrow night, I'm concerned about refreezing. There's going to be some icy conditions by Tuesday morning with lows in the teens. That will be enough to cause some more school delays and closings. And then Wednesday and Thursday, it's quiet with highs in the 40s. Another Arctic front arrives on Thursday night with a rain and snow shower, followed by colder weather on Friday in the 30s and lows in the teens. Next weekend, topsy-turvy. 30s on Saturday and near 50 on Sunday with a few rain showers. So keep checking back for updates at 10 and after Sunday Night Football.
Absolutely, and important things to keep in mind: get a shovel and a snow brush. I always forget that snow brush.
It's going to be a heavy, wet snow at that. If you get more than 4 inches of snowfall, that could cause a few power outages.
Yeah, well, we will be following it. Thank you, Josh.